This is our Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Technology program, or our HVAC-R program. So in our HVAC and refrigeration program, you're going to be learning how to install, maintain, and troubleshoot anything from residential units to commercial units, both HVAC and refrigeration. In this particular lab that you see us in today, we have our furnaces and air handlers. So these are part of the split package systems. So inside the house, you have your furnace as well as your air handler. They are piped outside to what's called a compressor, a condensing unit, which we'll show you in a few minutes. In here, you're going to learn how to pipe them, but you're going to also learn how to figure out loading. So each house, depending upon the size, will need a certain amount of air in order to accurately cool and heat the house, whether it be 1 or 2 tons, as much as 4 or even 5 tons of air to accurately cool and heat the house. So once you've figured out what type of unit size of unit you need in the house, whether it's going to be a split package or whether it's going to be a whole package, you're also going to learn how to maintain and how to troubleshoot. With HVAC, you can see there is a lot of wires, a lot of stuff going on here, and many things can go wrong. No matter what it is that goes wrong, in our HVAC program, we're going to teach you how to figure out what's going on and teach you how to accurately fix whatever the problem may be, whether it's in the wiring, whether it is in the electrical motors and components, or whether it's in the capacitors, whatever the problems may be, you're going to learn how to fix those right here in this HVAC program. So you see that we have all of our HVAC split unit furnaces and air handlers here. Out this door is our condensing unit garden. You will find multiple types of condensing units, from Trane to American Standard, Goodman, and even Janitrol. So part of the air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration program is obviously refrigeration. In the lab that you are in right now, we have different types of industrial and commercial refrigerators, freezers, ice cream machines, ice makers, any type of refrigeration that is used, whether it is in convenience stores, restaurants. You're going to learn how to accurately work on, install, maintain, and troubleshoot. To help students troubleshoot, here at UACCM, we have created a refrigeration trainer. So as you can see here, this trainer helps students learn how to deal with refrigeration pressure, to check and see if there are leaks, to make sure that the condensing tubes and everything is working correctly. Here at UACCM, on our refrigeration program, we get you the EPA certifications that you're going to need so that you can go out and you can work on that refrigeration, whether it is to reclaim the refrigeration or to add it. Whatever it is that you need to do in the refrigeration field, here at UACCM, we get you prepared. So the last component to the HVAC-R program here at UACCM is our commercial and industrial air conditioning and heating. As you can see here, this is a very large air conditioner, something that you would find maybe at a hospital or a factory, maybe even a school. Here at UACCM and our HVAC program, we want you to be able to get a job when you leave here in a number of fields, whether it's residential, learning how to install, maintain, and troubleshoot, whether it's going to work for that hospital or that factory, working on their HVAC systems. No matter where you decide that you want to work, when you leave here at UACCM and our HVAC program, you will be ready. During your time in the HVAC-R program at UACCM, you will earn the 608 EPA certification that is required to work in the air conditioning and refrigeration industry, as well as the National Coalition of Certification Centers certifications in multimeters and building performance instruments.
To learn more about academic programs, financial aid, and the enrollment process, go to UACCM.edu.